Let me quickly show you how you can increase your sending limit on Cash App. By default, the sending limit on all of the accounts created within Cash App is $1,000. So if you want to increase these numbers, you need to verify your identity. Only after your identity is verified within Cash App, your sending limit as well as receiving limit on your Cash App will be increased. To do that, from the homepage of Cash App, you'll need to head over to the profile icon on the top right. From the accounts page in Cash App, if you scroll down under account and settings, you'll be able to see the option called personal. Inside of this setting, you'll need to add in your social security number, your identity, your date of birth, and a few other details of yourself. After you add in and send over these information to Cash App, it will take about 28 to 48 hours for Cash App to verify your ID. Other than this, they may also ask in a photo verification or a video verification. You may also see a screen just like this, which says show us your government verified issued photo, appear on camera, and submit a identity review. If the first step of submitting your social security and your date of birth did not work out, the second step is they may also ask for other verification methods. So only once you verify your identity on Cash App, you'll be able to increase, or they will increase your sending limit from currently $1,000 to around $7,000. So I hope this guide video did help you out. If it did, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. That's going to be all for today. I'm going to see you guys in the next video.